Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So I just want to share with you guys the trade I picked this week. I know I haven't been posting for some time on this channel. That's because I've been kind of busy with other stuff though. But I'm so sorry, and I'm gonna try as much as possible to be posting more this time. All right. So I just want to quickly share with you guys the trade I picked this week. I know like price has been like the way the market has been moving last month and this month has been crazy, but I'm just going to share with you guys what I did this week, how my trade went this week, guys, so you can learn one or two from it. So make sure you watch the video to the end, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please give just go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like. Let me show you how my trade went this week. So guys, I just picked this trade. Just waiting to see how it's gonna play out. I picked this trade after seeing this shift in structure. Price retraces into this level, and I went ahead to pick an entry here. I don't know if price will still dump, at least to take out this level, maybe to this level, I don't know, but I've already picked an entry here. Even if price drops, this is where I place my stop loss. So if it drops down to this point, then I know that this move is out. I'm just gonna wait to see how this will play out. Let's see, guys. So this was the first trade I picked this week at this level. When I saw that price has changed direction by giving us a shift in structure here, or you can call it a change of character, and I saw that price was retracing back into this level. You can see that we have fair value gap around this level. When I saw this here, this happened on Tuesday, so I went ahead to pick an entry here. I'm also going to play the clip where I picked this entry. Yeah, I think I recorded when I picked this entry. So and when I picked this trade, price was still consolidating around this level. Then this was where I placed my stop loss below this low here. You can see price dropped down a little, took out liquidity here and expanded to the upside. And this was where I placed my stop loss. As you can see, I placed my stop loss beneath this level. I was like, even if price drops, it may not drop up to this point, but if it does, then I know that I was wrong with my entry. So I picked an entry here, and you can see price traded all the way up. This was where I placed my TP, and price came all the way. Price hit my TP, and you can see this move. Price has been moving to the upside throughout that Tuesday. Let me just adjust this so that you can see clearly. You can see the move here. Price was still expanding to the upside on Tuesday. This move was on Wednesday. I I saw an order block here on the higher time frame, so I went ahead to pick an entry here. My stop loss was a little above this level here, right? My stop loss was a little above this level. Then you can see here that when price came here, it traded up, took me out, then started expanding to the downside. You can see this massive move and see this massive move. I picked this trade during my entry time, okay, but this when price started moving, price had already gone past my entry time, so I was just like, okay, it's just move, Jerry. Yeah, so you can see price expanded aggressively to the downside. This move happened on Wednesday. This was on Tuesday. This particular one was on Tuesday. This move was on Tuesday, then this one happened on Wednesday. You can see price came back to this level. This move here happened at night, so I couldn't pick this entry. I didn't mean I saw this. I would have picked another entry here and placed my stop loss above this level, but this one happened at night. You can see the market dropped all the way down to this level, right to this level, then retraces a little, came back and closed for the week. So I I picked two trades this week. This was the first one that I picked, and this was the second one that I picked, where price pushed up a little, took me out before expanding to the downside aggressively. You can see the move. So I just want to quickly share with you guys the trade I picked this week, and I'm gonna make more videos like this. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing and like my video. I just hope you learn one or two from this video, most especially from this first one here. From this first one, you know, sometimes price will give a shift in structure like this, and if you see price leaving this kind of gap here, you can call it fair value gap, right? leaving this kind of gap, just wait to see if price will come back to fill up that gap. And after price fill up that gap, you can go ahead to look for trade opportunity. Can go ahead to look for trade opportunity. You can see the change of character and price expanding aggressively to the upside. So guys, that was how my trade went this week. Thank you for watching. Do well to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.